फैमिली, आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं किडनी का मॉडल, जिसमें हम पढ़ेंगे कि किडनी क्या है, इसके हम ग्रोथ फीचर्स भी देखेंगे, इसके हम अंदर भी जाएंगे, इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर्स भी देखेंगे। ग्रोसरी हम क्या देखते हैं कि किडनी इज़ अ बीन शेप्ड ऑर्गन। ये हमारी T12 अपर जो उसका रिलेशन होता है T12 के साथ होता है, वर्टिब्री के साथ एक्सटेंशन पर है T12 टू L3 ये एक्सटेंड होती है। इसके अलावा हम क्या देखेंगे कि इसके क्या सरफेस होते हैं, क्या पोल्स होते हैं। इट इज़ 2 पोल्स, अपर एंड लोअर पोल। इट इज़ 2 surfaces, the anterior surface and the posterior surface. It is 2 borders, the left border or the lateral border and the medial border. The anterior surface is the lobulated. You will observe the lobules, and the posterior surface is smooth somehow, and the medial border is indented for the renal hilum or hilus, and the lateral border is the concave, convex and shaped. The upper lobe is united with the suprarenal gland, and the inferior lobe is pointed, somehow pointed, and this is the gross anatomy. You will go inside the renal cortex. You will observe the reddish dark color region of the cortex, the dark color region of the kidney, the renal cortex, and the pale color region known as the renal medulla, and the inside this space hole is known as the renal sinus. Renal sinus is the extension from the hilum to the kidney. This known as the renal hilus. Okay, the cortex is dark in color, and it is having 2 parts. It has 2 parts. The renal columns, the part of the cortex that extends into the medulla and between the pyramids, is known as the renal columns, and this part is simply the renal cortex. The renal medulla shows the conical projections, 10 in number, conical projection known as the renal pyramids. Renal pyramids having a base and apex. The apex is known as the renal papilla, which drains to the minor calyces, and the base is facing toward the renal cortex. Okay, now inside the renal sinus, you will observe the minor and major calyces. This is the minor calyces draining from the renal papilla. Uniting the minor calyces, you will observe the major calyces. The minor calyces are 3 to 17 in number, and major calyces are 2 to 3 in number. Okay, you will see the hilum. The indentation in the medial border of the kidney is known as the renal hilum, and the relations are the interiorly the renal vein, posteriorly the renal artery, and more posteriorly is the renal pelvis or ureter. Renal artery, on entering the renal hilum, divides into segmental arteries. Segmental arteries divide into the lobar arteries. You can clearly observe here between the renal pyramids, these reddish margins are the interlobar arteries. Interlobar arteries curve around the base of the renal pyramid and known as the arcuate artery. Arcuate artery further give branches known as the interlobular arteries, and along with the interlobular veins. Interlobular arteries further will give the efferent arterioles. Efferent arterioles will continue as the glomerular capillaries, and then will drain into the efferent arterioles. You can see here this yellowish markings. These are actually the perirenal fat that will fill this all extra spaces, the renal sinuses. Now we will learn about the relations of the kidney. This gland here on the upper pole of the kidney is known as the suprarenal gland, and you will appreciate here the capsule, the outer covering of the capsule. Inside the capsule, on the outside of the capsule is the perirenal fat. On the outside of the perirenal fat is the renal fascia, and outside of that is the pararenal fat. So now we will learn about the important relations of the kidney. One thing that is remained is the site determination of the kidney. How will you identify that this kidney having the anterior aspect or this is the posterior aspect? How will you identify it, and how will you identify the right side of the kidney or left side? The main point is the renal hilum. If you will notice the renal hilum, you will clearly appreciate the site determination. That is, renal vein must be located anteriorly, and the renal pelvis must be located posteriorly. If you will follow these points, you will observe site determination. Thank you.